How do I get Luffa sponge gourds to set fruit? And this is Maria from San Jose, California. She says last year she grew them in full sun, but they only had pretty flowers and no fruit, right?
Oh.
So yeah, key word, right?
Yeah.
Pretty flowers.
No fruit.
No fruit. So what do you think?
No pollination.
No pollination. Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
I think that, yeah, if you've got flowers and you're not getting fruit, then it's got to be something's not pollinated, because loofahs are the kind of plant that needs to be cross-pollinated.
Right, so it's in the cucurbit family.
Cucumber family, yeah. Mm-hmm. And so, I mean, you could go out there if you don't have any more bees around with either a little kid's paintbrush or with Q-tips, and you can go from flower to flower and try to pollinate them yourself.
Right.
But it needs some pollination. It sounds like a pollination problem.
That's what it sounds like to me. And usually when I think about, plants in the cucurbit family, they usually produce more male flowers first before they produce the female flowers, right? So yeah, it's not getting properly pollinated. So yeah, little paintbrush, right?
Little paintbrush.
Yeah, explain that to your neighbors when you're out there doing that. It's gonna be interesting, right? But yeah, so full sun, that's the right condition.
Yeah, she's
consistent watering. Yeah, you definitely want to do that.
Sounds like she had beautiful plants and beautiful flowers.
Right.
Just no fruit.
No fruit. You know what? Make sure you're not giving it too much nitrogen fertilizer.
Well, that's true too.
Right.
Because you'll get beautiful plants, but you won't get. It won't think that it's ready to set fruit.
Right.
Because it thinks, oh, it's wonderful weather, it's wonderful food. I can keep growing.
Right.
And it's not really setting fruit.
Right. So yeah, be careful, don't use too much nitrogen fertilizer. But yeah, we're thinking it might be the pollinators, right? So for some reason, they're not there. So you might just have to help them out a little bit, right? It might be the weather,
It could have been.
Right.